Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 5-star property. In this property, two type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this property, you can go to agoda.com. Check-in time in this property is 2 p.m. and check-out time of this property is 12 p.m. If you have stayed in this property, you can send your experiences via comments. For booking or get more details about this property, please follow the description link. If you have any problem booking a room in this property, then you can drop a comment